This was actually we can say a dream come true. We are working with the manufacturing industry for a very long time. We want India to grow. India is having so much of potential, but if everyone can come together, we can do great. So first of all, thank you, Mr. Sekka, for coming here and doing the honor. So just to your views about India and about AMB.
Thank you to give me a word. And I'm now in India more than 24 years. And so I know the country really from the beginning on. And what I saw the last years, it's incredible. It's a big step India makes in the last 10 years. And I would be sure it will be bigger in the next few years. And for me, I am really pleasant that we have a production there, that we have an Indian partner there for more than 25 years. And I see the big opportunity which we have right now in India, and for the world. Thank you.
Sir, you are manufacturing from there, you are selling globally. You have seen India grown over all these, silver jubilee you are celebrating in manufacturing. So how do you think India can grow?
I think India is growing quite rapidly in the last, let's say, a decade. It's important that we keep up the momentum. Not necessarily to really accelerate more, but the momentum has to be kept up. And of course, for doing that, we have to build linkages with various manufacturing nations like Germany and other parts of Europe and even the East. So with that, the opportunities will increase, and India will definitely. But we have to keep up the leadership, the drive, and the energy that needs to happen. I think we have a great future ahead.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Rajesh Nath is working very, very hard to bring India and Germany together, and he is one of the most successful person in India doing that. And we are so lucky having you, sir. Your 2 words.
Thank you. First of all, congratulations on this Indian Pavilion. And as we know, India is growing at about 7%. We are talking about India's decade. And I'm sure the next period is going to be very attractive for India. We are striving to become a $5 trillion economy. And by 27 or 28, India should become the 3rd largest economy in the world. And manufacturing will be contributing to this growth story of India. And we are happy here at the AMB also on the 12th. We are organizing the India Opportunity Seminar, which will showcase the possibilities in India, what are prevailing for the manufacturing industry. So wishing all the Indian exhibitors here a lot of success. I'm sure India's growth story is being highlighted at AMB here. And this can only help in closer cooperation, Indo-German cooperation, and cooperation in the manufacturing sector. And all the very best to Machine Maker also for all the initiatives, Hari.
Thank you, sir.
Very good.
Mr. Guru is here representing IMTMA, Indian Machine Tool Manufacturers Association. So, Mr. Guru, they are having a stall in Hall 6. They are also doing a lot of activities here. Your views on India?
Firstly, many thanks to Messe Stuttgart for organizing this wonderful show and inviting all of us from IMTMA. I think for me, it's the first trip to Stuttgart and AMB. Absolutely fantastic. I think words have been spoken about India, so I don't want to add more. I got to know that there are almost 10 companies from India who are exhibiting here, and I only wish Messe Stuttgart to grow it even more stronger, and all the very best to machine makers. And as I'm representing IMTMA, I think the world is looking at India, and Mr. Nath and Mr. Babu has already spoken, and so has Mr. Zeka. And please do come and see everything in action at IMTEX 2025. So that's will be something looking forward, and we also look forward to invite more customers in India Happy Hours today, and also followed by the India Day session on 12th of September. Thank you ever so much, and best wishes to Hari. Thank you.
See, we've been to many organizers, exhibition organizers, and Messe Stuttgart. Nadia, please come. So Messe Stuttgart is one exhibition organizer who are so, your heart is so big. Each and every people in Messe Stuttgart talks the same language. They are just here to support. So thanks for making this happen, this India Pavilion. And
we're happy to have you here.
Yeah, so your 2 words about India, what do you think about India? You've been to India a couple of times.
Well, happy to have you here. Glad everybody's supporting us. We look forward to a great week here. And 2 words to India. I love it. We're looking forward to all our business coming up there in the next years. And looking forward to these busy days.
Thank you, Nadia. And last not the least, we have Vinod here. He's our partner. We are going to start our Machine Maker Germany, Machine Maker Europe. And Vinod, your 2 words.
Thanks, Harry. This is a great opportunity, and thanks for organizing this event. As you rightly said, all of us were saying that the next decade is going to be India's, but at the same time, we need to focus on the technology as well as the scaling up opportunities within India, because those are the 2 things which will drive us better and better. Thanks.
Thank you very much. We will have a last photograph together. One photograph.